Arvin Tolentino. From the PBA to the KBL, at sa kanyang unang laro, grabe ang ginawa kontra NU Bulldogs. Tolentino showed no fear bombs away from downtown. Smooth mid-range at strong finishes inside. Final numbers? 23 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists. Tolentino proved he belongs on this stage. At hindi lang basta laro ha, 82-76 win ang resulta at malaking bahagi doon si Arvin. Ito ang kanyang highlights.